we are going to use a coupon provided by Made Network to activate a VPS with zero trust and passwordless logon, equipped with an NVIDIA vGPU to develop CUDA core-based applications and Omniverse applications. So we have to set the hostname and administrator's password. Then we request the installation of the most useful Omniverse applications. When VPS creation starts, a file batch is automatically downloaded. This file configures VPN access on client for both desktop and network shares logon. Once the creation completes, we can log on to VPS in Zero Trust model, i.e. via web, by clicking the ZTD button. The only active user on VPS is administrator, and its password was set on by. Now we can try out the power of virtualized GPU in a secured session within the web browser. If the Omniverse environment was requested on by, first of all you need to sign up on the NVIDIA website. So click the appropriate web link on desktop. We have to type our email address and then follow the registration process. After that, we can launch the Omniverse environment and log on by our email. Default browser will open again to perform the authentication process, so we can type the password registered on sign up. Then we have to confirm the opening of Omniverse Launcher. And finally, we can close the browser window and run the pre-installed applications in the library. So select the Isaac Sim app, which is specific for robotic simulations. In the right pane, click the Launch button. Then leave the startup settings unchanged and click the Start button. Once the app is launched, click on the Isaac Examples top menu, then select Import Robots option, and finally CUDA URDF. On the Import panel, click the Load button. Then from the left sidebar, click the Play button to start the simulation. Finally, click the Move button on the Import panel. And now the robot moving according to the preset parameters. Now click again on Isaac Examples top menu and Import Robot submenu. Then select Franca URDF. On the Import panel, click the Load button and, from the left sidebar, click the Play button. Then on the Import panel, click the Move button to see the preset movement of mechanical arm. Now close the application without saving the scene, and then close the log window. Now let's run the USD Presenter application. On Load, click the Open icon and, from the path of the administrator's 3D objects, double-click on World Lobby Scene. Wait for the scene to load, and then hold down the left mouse button to move camera view inside the room. Please take a look of the real-time ray tracing rendering on the floor. Then zoom in on the wall and activate the high-resolution preview rendering to get a realistic wall appearance. Take care about different appearance on the floor on light's reflection. Now we can close the Omniverse environment. And let's move on to an example of CUDA core programming. So let's compile the Mandelbrot application for fractal drawing. In the continuous redrawing, we can notice the difference in calculation speed between the vGPU and the server CPU. Now move on to the example of using the Microsoft DirectML library to try automatic object recognition using the YOLO 4 model. At the end of recognition, we can end the application with the escape key, close Visual Studio, and finally close web session, confirm the exit. Now you will watch the passwordless access to your VPS through VPN via smart card on a pre-configured Windows PC. On PC Client Desktop, double-click the icon with the green shield that controls VPN tunnel. By clicking on the Connect button, you are asked for smart card PIN, so type it. Now you can open the remote desktop connection. Credentials request window appears. Check if digital identity is yours and type the PIN again. Now you are connected to your VPS remote desktop in passwordless mode. All Smart Card and Zero Trust desktop VPS series have a pre-configured shared folder on desktop. So, open the folder and create a text document. Now, go back to your PC desktop and open the network shares of your VPS. Enter the shared folder, and now you can show or edit the file inside VPS directly from your PC. In VPS by form, you can choose to create a data partition. In this video, VPS was equipped with a second data partition which was previously encrypted with the smart card through Microsoft BitLocker technology. Now you are going to watch how to access to the encrypted partition in order to view or modify the contained documents or add new ones. To do that, you need to log on again the VPS desktop. Open Explorer to show the encrypted partition. Double-click on it to start the unlocking process. In the window at top right side, click on Use Smart Card label. You will be asked for the PIN, so type it. Now shared encrypted partition is unlocked and available on the network file sharing, and you can view the important document inside. So go back your client PC desktop and open the VPS network shares, double-clicking the related icon. Finally, open the data partition folder to view or edit the important document directly by your PC.